Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be trying on different products I've gotten in my Ipsy bags here lately, and I'm going to be trying on things that I got in my January Glam Bag Plus and Glam Bag Ultimate. For the products that I did not get in this box, I tried to use different things I've gotten in Ipsy in the past to complete the makeup look. So, here we go. The Juice Beauty Stem Cell Year Anti-Wrinkle Booster Serum. Hope this wasn't a night product. Doesn't say. Okay, the next thing I'm also going to use is a Kale plus Vitamin B Serum shot. I'm going to go ahead and try this as well. Sweet Chef. There ain't nothing sweet about kale. It's not as strong as I thought it was earlier, or the other day. I've put on 2 serums. Go in with the Ahava moisturizer. I've used their lotion before, but I've never used moisturizer or skincare products from them. Not use very much because it does not take much of their lotion either. It smells a lot like their lotion. Okay, time for brows. I currently don't remember anything that I've gotten from Ipsy for brows, so I'm just going to speed this part up. I forgot setting powder. I'll be back. Now it's time to use What's the Tea from the Balm. This is from January's No. This is from January's Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate. Try to go in with this shade here. It's the Neutral Eyelid Primer. It looks a little dark, but never know. Might be a little bit dark, but I don't think it's going to affect anything. Okay, so I'm gonna start with Oh Snap right there. Just put that in my crease because there isn't anything lighter, but I don't really, it doesn't matter. A rundown and put that in the like outside corner. See if I can try to make it wing up a little bit because I do have a black eyeliner to use. Okay, there's where we got so far. Kind of have that look. So just gives your eyes kind of a different, my eyes just kind of a different shape. Okay, now I'm going to go in with Talk of the Town, I think, and it is a blue shade. It's not too much green in it since I am wearing a shirt with blue accents. So whenever I was editing one of my videos, I did not notice how much I say "we shall see." I was about to say it again. Maybe it'll be my tagline. We shall see. Okay, it doesn't seem too greeny. Maybe not exactly the color I was going for. Latest Scoop, it's kind of a gray color, and I'm going to try to add that on top of that blue color and see if it'll kind of make it a little bit more blue and less green, and I may be totally wrong about that. Take my floofy Farrah brush here and just kind of clean up what's going on here. Make sure everything's blended. Now I'm going to take Kiss and Tell and put it on the inside just to kind of get ready for like a shimmer. Oh, that's more pigmented than I thought it would be. And like, I don't know what the right wording is for it. It's like iridescent. Is that the right word? Like it's just not straight up pink. I think iridescence is the word I'm looking for. It's fine. I just wasn't expecting it. Just kind of added some color to that. Now I'm going to go in with He Said, She Said. With my finger. I just like it. Ooh, that's pretty. A pretty shade. Okay. Now on underneath the waterline, I'm going to take a mixture of the Rundown and talk of the town. I'm just going to kind of mix them together a little bit and go underneath the waterline. I don't like it too dark under there. Before I do anything else, I forgot to use this. Maybe I can still try to use it. I haven't put that much powder on, so I'm going to go ahead and do it before I was getting ready to add some more powder. So I'm going to take this flesh stick in pinky. I don't know if they call it stick, but it's a stick. And that sounds weird. I'm going to take my finger and rub it on here. Okay, that went on. Good. Just make sure it's all mixed together. That a nice glow. I need to learn about camera settings because my bronzer looks really orange and it's not. There's that. That looks nice. And then I'll put on some dry highlighter to kind of like set it. I'm going to go ahead and set that highlighter with this. I'm so used to not wearing eyeliner that I almost forgot to put it on. So first I'm going to start with the sugar pencil one and just kind of put it in the tight line, right? And with the sugar, it's the waterproof micro liner. See it on camera, but it did what I wanted it to do, and that was just kind of darken up the lash line because I think it makes my lashes look more vibrant. And our last step is going to be going in with the Thrive Cosmetics. I got this as an add-on from Ipsy. Okay, there is one eye with the Thrive Cosmetics mascara and one eye without. This is a tubing mascara, so it doesn't leave like raccoon eyes whenever you wash it off. That is with the mascara on both eyes. I hope you can see it on camera. I'm looking in the viewfinder and I'm having a hard time finding it, but that doesn't mean it's not there. So, let me put down, I'll go ahead and put down my bangs, but I forgot my lip powder. Then we have the Nature's Cartel lipstick in the shade 90s Nostalgia. Okay, there is the shade on. I really like it. It may be a little bit too dry for some people, but I actually kind of like this particular formula that's a little bit drier because I tend to rub my lips together a lot, and if it's too moisturizing, I'll do it all the time and end up rubbing it off. So I think with this one, it's just like the right formula Like, it's getting a little bit more moisturized now that it's on my lips, but I really like this formula. So thanks for watching this video. I really liked all the products I tried. I don't think I had really any complaint with anything. For what I did, the What's the Tea palette worked out very nicely and it blended out well. See anything else? I'm very pleased with everything that I got in this January box of Ipsy Glam Bag Plus and the Ultimate. So thanks for watching this video. Bye!